Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to create professional scripts and voiceovers for your YouTube videos using CloneVoice.ai. And trust me, this is a game changer. If you've ever stared at a blank screen trying to come up with the perfect script for your video, you know how frustrating it can be. Well, this tool solves that problem instantly. With CloneVoice.ai Script Genie, you can take any YouTube video and turn it into a fully ready script. All you need is the video URL. For example, let's say you want to create a 1-minute summary of a popular book video like Atomic Habits. Just paste the link into Script Genie, give your script a name, set it to a short summary format, and click Generate Script. In seconds, you'll have a polished script ready to go. But it doesn't stop there. Once the script is ready, you can click Use Script and instantly turn it into a voiceover. Choose a voice, give your audio a name, and let CloneVoice.ai do the rest. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, marketing videos, or even business promotions. You can even combine multiple videos to create a more detailed script tailored to your brand or topic. It saves hours of work, sparks creativity, and helps you produce professional content without any stress.
In this video, I'll show you how to use the Script Genie feature within the CloneVoice.ai application. Now, this is a script generation tool, but also comes with a twist. Okay, what is the twist? The twist is that you can actually not just prompt it to generate a script on something to then generate an audio with it, but actually even provide YouTube URLs. Okay, this is a game changer, and multiple at that. See, as an example, so you can add multiple YouTube URLs as well. So the idea is, let's say for example, I want to create a 1 minute or under, right, YouTube short, video, and then because of that, I need an audio for that video, right? Let's say a voiceover, summary, or whatever it might be, a short. Okay. So then let's say I want to do it for Atomic Habits, right? So I saw this video called Atomic Habits, the book on Atomic Habits from James Clear, tiny changes that create remarkable results. So this is the video. Okay, it's a 9-minute video. I want to create a YouTube short for that one. So I need CloneVoice to generate me the audio for it, let's say. So I can say Atomic Habits YouTube short, give it a name, right? Summary, let's say. Okay, so then we'll give it a URL. So this is the URL. So I just took this URL, this YouTube URL, and I pasted it here. And you can even add multiple, but in this case, one is enough. But multiple could be useful. Let's say, for example, if it's a brand or business you want to create, something for, which I'll show you next. So let's say create a short summary of this video for in paragraph format for a 1-minute video. Okay, and then you generate script, and then it's going to do its thing and start generating the script. And then the way this works is you got the edit, clone button, delete obviously, but you also have this unique button that's only unique to the script, the Script Genie tool, which is called, as you can see, use script. Okay, you see that? So that allows you to basically, once it's completed, you see, use the script, and there you go. You can now go back to the create audio section, give it an audio name, select a voice, everything you're familiar with already, and then you can use the script to generate the voiceover. Okay, so that's the idea. Now, the other cool thing with this one is, let's say for example, this is a YouTube channel for Beverly Hills MD, right? So these are folks who are focused on, the skin and then the look and feel for it and all that, right? So there's tons of videos here, right? So you see right here, it's about retinol and all this other stuff. So as you can see here, so let's say for example, you can then take a couple of videos. Okay, so for example, I would take this video on retinol. Let's say if I want to create it, so I'll just copy this. Okay, so and then here, and then also you see how there's another video that was posted here. So if you go into shorts, okay, and then there's a lot of these other videos right here, so you can even take those. But let's say, for example, even in the videos, you go into retinol related videos, right? So they're talking about this is the best time to start using retinol. Okay, so let's say you want to use this, or you want to use let's say something like this. Okay, this is another one, or let's even say this one, like let's relate to retinol. Okay, So you can say something like Beverly Hills, and this is the client you're generating a video for, video, okay? Or let's say script, let's say, right? So, and then the way you want to summarize both of these videos and why write a short script on why potential clients should they go to Beverly Hills MD for retinol instead of buying on their own, okay? Online. You get the point, right? So the idea is like we write it catered to this business based on these YouTube videos and what's the content that this business posted. So it will be relevant to them, you see? So, okay, generate the script. All right, it's done here. So let's just use the script right now and then click on this, boom, it generated the script, and then it shows why, it's not just a summary, but it introduces why Beverly Hills MD activate retinol overnight treatment, which is theirs, and implying that not all retinols are created equal. You see, this is what we are trying to achieve, you see? So that's the beauty here. It takes the YouTube content and then allows you to build on top of it, in a way, for example, use that as an example to build on top of it, your audios, and it helps you be more creative as well, because that's something that is the most difficult thing, right? Staring at a blank screen and trying to generate scripts or generate audios and voiceovers and stuff like that for different use cases. This solves that issue for you. Okay, so it's pretty much it. Very easy feature, very simple to use, and hope you enjoy using it. And I look forward to seeing you in the other tutorials.